Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, November 19, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong November 19, 2024, Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates for Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for November 19, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, November 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.